Today for a change, I'm going to unbox the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. What I have is creator combo. Let's open and see what are the items available. That's okay, a nice carry bag. Yeah, here we go. Okay, before we proceed further, let's see what are available in the box. There is, let's see, DJI manuals in different languages as usual. Okay. Quick start guide. And I'm going to use the SanDisk 512 GB memory card. Okay, let's go. Okay, here we go. A beautiful camera. Yeah, very mini camera. Wow, okay. Yeah, let's see. Camera, let's see what else is there. Let me remove that. Here is the power button. Okay. Let me switch on in a few minutes. Let me see what are the items in the bag. Okay, let's see them. This is the battery handle. Yep. Yep. 59% battery at the moment. On the 59, on the 70%. Here it's a 70. On the main, it is 59%. Okay, that's excellent. Okay, let's see what else is there. This is the mic 2, DJI mic 2, wireless mic. Okay, tripod. It is small, but good one. Okay, that's nice. It's very handy, by the way. Sufficient grip is there. Okay, excellent. Let's see what else is there. Okay. Oh, this is a base. It's a base. Okay. Let me remove. Wow. It's a very important thing. You should get the click sound to avoid falling or dropping. Okay. What else is there? Okay, still some more. This use the handle. Okay. This is a cable. What else is here? Okay, the lenses. Here some more. Okay, there's another lens. Okay, I shouldn't drop it. And the lens. That's it. Okay, these are the items available. Okay, let me remove it. Okay, let's see them. Okay, this is a camera. Okay, close to environment. Okay, this is okay, this is okay. And we have a stand here, tripod, and okay, that's good. Okay, here we go. Let me check anything in the back. That's all. Okay, this is separately you have to buy the memory card. It doesn't come along. Okay, this sand is. Okay, what is this? Let's see what it is. Oh, okay. Okay, this is the protective cover. Okay, protective cover. Yeah. Should be this way. Let me check that and tell you. Okay, anyway, so these are the items available in the creator combo, except this. Okay, this you have to buy separately, and it's also with only 512 MB, not the 1 TB. It doesn't support the 1 TB memory card, the storage. Even you can insert the card, but it works up to 512 GB. Yeah. Okay, that's all. I'm just checking all those what is available in the creator combo. Start using this from my next video soon. My name is Ramli. Welcome to my channel, Ramli Roams World. Thank you for watching. If you like my content, please do subscribe. Thanks once again. Bye.